Yeah, so basically, Asha is a game concept which revolves around generating awareness about environment by putting the player directly into the world where they have to deal with repercussion due to unsustainable development that happened before. So basically, it will be a 2D game in which a protagonist named Asha, who is a girl, will set on a long adventure with a plant who is her friend, and together they will tackle several environment problems in a very interactive gameplay, providing the user with breathtaking emotional experience of remorse, regret, and joy as the game progresses and story unfolds. Since it's a very long game, the progression of the gameplay will be divided into several chapters. Each chapter will have its own narration, which will be in sync with the storyline and its own environment degradation scenario. Say for example in deforestation, chapter named deforestation, the player will have to deal with the repercussion due to deforestation, and the whole chapter will be in progressive scheme. Like one has to solve the previous chapter in order to unlock the next.
The gameplay. In gameplay, the plant food will be scattered all around the level. To collect it, player can walk, run, jump. Sometimes it's easy to collect it, but sometimes it's too tough to collect it. That time, more plant will come to play. It will provide the player with certain hints throughout the game. More plant will also explain the cause of scenario. That is, it will explain what type of past human habit has caused this natural calamity. There will be many dangers associated in a chapter. Like player will have to wear oxygen mask all the time and its times will be limited. There will be a oxygen bar on the top right of the screen by which one can check its status. Like another one, more dangerous associated with the level will be electric shocks, drowning in water, old traps, etc. By which when affected the player health will reduce. To monitor one's health bar will be present on the top of the screen. When all the chapters unlocks, then player will be tackle every environmental problem and he or she will be beaten the game.
So basically the game that we have seen about environment awareness are some sort of very rudimentary, like there are puzzles, questionnaire, but for having a very deep impactful impression in someone's mind, one has to make the game very interactive. So our main USP will be interactive gameplay. Like our game will be have narration which will be in sync with the storyline. Also, there will be characterization, like there will be a relationship between the girl and the plant. So the whole emotional attachment between the girl, the plant, the whole scenario will make a very deep, impactful impression in the user who plays the game.